have you gathered here for my humiliation. In honor of this Georgia warehouse unboxing, I have worn my secondhand Phillies shirt, jersey thing. Is this valuable? I don't know. I don't watch sports, but just felt like dressing up for the occasion. Here is the box. The box came a little busted up, came a little late, but that's okay. Also, these individual lashes are from the Dollar Tree, and these earrings are from the Dollar Tree, so don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. Okay, do we think this box will be good? No, we're just hoping for a couple good things. I have several great unboxings. I don't think this one will be one. It doesn't even feel like there's 25 things in here. Usually the box is like full. This box has like, oops. This box has like barely anything in it. I feel like a lot of these patterns look like Gap. Let's see. First, in Houston, size 18. This does not look like a size 18. This looks like a size, holy cannoli. This looks so small. This is not a size 18. Button up. Oops. Okay, Banana Republic, size 10. Work skirt. Off to a poor start. Express, size 2, but it's a really beautiful dress. Oh, it's a jumpsuit. Even better, strapless jumpsuit. Okay, that's really cute. I'll probably take that to a buy-sell trade store. Okay, all right. Gap, too petite. Okay, a little ruffle hem, but still. Gap, too petite. Max Studio, extra small. Okay, not terrible. Cinches right here, has a little tie. This feels cool. Michelle Mason, size 4. Smells like leather. That's super cute. Why isn't this my size? Super cute. Is she leather? Yes. Oh, this is so cool. I'm not sure about the brand. I'll look it up. Loft, the softened shirt, no size. Style & Co. petite medium. There's a lot going on here. Buffalo David Bitten, size 28. Can't remember if this is a good brand. I'm not sure about denim. I'm pretty sure Buffalo makes jeans. I don't know. 9 West, extra large dress. Worthington petite medium. At least these things have sizes, I guess. Extra large Nike shirt, just do it. Okay, that's pretty cute. This looks designer, actually. Duca D'Andrea. Vintage looking tag. Looks to be about a size 2. I don't know. American Outpost shorts. There are some like hiking shorts. These actually look around my size. Size medium. Might keep these for the summer. They're like water resistant. The Limited, extra small. Dazzled, cinched. Loft, size small. These are cute. Chico's 1P. I'm not sure what 1P means, but these look to be about a size 10, which is what I am. So I'm gonna try these on. Even though they're petite, I feel like I can make them work. Olive and oak, large, flowy shirt. L extra small skirt, knitted, it's really soft. Gap size 0, summer short. Van Heusen large, button up. M&G basics, size extra small. Blouse, it's pretty cute. Okay, this is really cute. Madewell size large, floral dress. I actually might keep this. Madewell, like I said in previous videos, does not sell as well as I thought it would, unless it's the jeans. But this is cute. The only defect is this button that's like cracked, but honestly, it's like, I can replace that. It's so cute. It has pockets. This is adorable. The last thing, Banana Republic, at least they're wool, size 0 dress pants. Wait, one more thing. Okay, Alice and Olivia showroom sample from April of who knows what year. Interesting. Very interesting. Honestly, that box wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I did get a lot of Loft, Van Heusen, Gap, but my favorite things in the box were that Express jumpsuit. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of money for that, but it's pretty cute. Those Chico's pants that I'm gonna try on, and that Madewell dress, super cute. And then those designer pants I'm gonna look up, and then I'm gonna look up this Alice and Olivia showroom sample, whatever this is from. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be ordering more boxes. Check out my other videos if you haven't seen those, and see you in my next unboxing. Bye.